Hello and welcome to ISTV English News. First, the top stories. Health and Family Welfare Minister has stated that government is trying its best to improve health sector in Manipur, and World Elders Day observed in Manipur. Now the news in detail. Health and Family Welfare Minister Phunzathang Thongsin has stated that the government is trying its best to develop health sector in Manipur. This was stated in connection with National Voluntary Blood Donation Day held at DM College Multipurpose Hall today. Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare Dr. Sushil Akhtar, Max Project Director Shyamlal Punia, Medical Superintendent of Jenims Gopi Mohan and Program Coordinator NSS Cell Manipur University Dr. C.H. Ibohal were also present on the occasion. Stressing the importance of blood in our lives, those who spoke on the occasion underlined the need to keep enough stock of bloods in blood banks. Minister Phunzathang Thongsin maintained that there are 3 blood banks in Manipur which are at Jenims, Rims and Churachandpur Hospital. The government is trying to open more blood banks at Moreh, Senapati and Thoubal. Moreover, efforts are on to install modern equipments and to avail modern medical facilities to the people. He also sought the support of general public to make the schemes of government successful.
Government of Manipur is very progressive on healthcare setup and system. We need voluntary blood bank, and even if we have blood bank, if we don't have blood donor, it will be failure, it will be failed. Now we are very proud that our young group, so to say youth, they are ready to give their blood voluntarily.
World Elders Day was observed at Iboyama Sumanglila Sanglen under the aegis of Social Welfare Department. Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai, Waqf Board Chairman MLA Fazur Rahim, MLA E. Chand, Director Social Welfare L. Ibobi, Manipur State Commission for Women Chairperson Dr. L. Ibetombi and Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Nabachandra, were also present as Presidium members. As part of the observation, simple gifts were presented to elder people from the site of the department. Those who spoke on the occasion maintained that love and care for older people around the world is increasing day by day. To keep older people happy at home depends largely upon the family. They also lamented, saying, on contrary to the trends in the rest of the world, in Manipur older people are treated properly and with love and care. Some people are still not having the opportunity to take care of older people. Minister A.K. Mirabai lamented that in order to mitigate the sufferings of the older people, the department has taken up pension schemes for old age, widow and handicapped persons. Under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Schemes, 72,514 older people were given the facility of pension schemes. 45,905 state old age pensions were also given to older people. Efforts are on to cover more number of older persons. District tribunal are opened in 9 districts under DC and SDO to avail rights of older persons to claim compensation if they have been expelled from the families. Moreover, 16 old age homes are opened and availed the facilities of older persons to carry on their activities. The day is also observed today at Caesar Hospitals and Research Center under the joint initiative of Caesar Hospitals and Senior Citizens for Society. President of the Society N. Binoy, General Secretary S. Sadananda, Coordinator Dr. M. Nara and Chairman cum Managing Director of Caesar Hospitals, Dr. K. Palil were also present on the occasion. Dr. Sadananda said that due to the advancement in healthcare sector, the number of mortality rate has been decreased to a considerable extent. The number of persons from age 60 to 69, which has been termed as old age, is the highest in our nation. Dr. M. Nara maintained that life is meaningless if we fail to treat older persons with love and care. Proper care should be given for them. N. Binoy expressed unhappiness over the way in which old age pensions are given to canvass for vote bank. Dr. Palil stressed the need to take proper advice to lead a happy and disease-free life.
Future let us forget about past. We cannot just nothing happened in the past, nothing will happen in future. This is again the power of the now.
A press meet was held in connection with the ban imposed on Phamsak in Manipur. Members of SICO, Lining Laison Phamsak Loop, Malem Saisak Loop, Rubrak, Saisak Saitam Sanglen and Manipur Manohar Sai Ashram were also present in the press meet. General Secretary of SICO, Laishram Kennedy, maintained that he was confused to know whether Nath or Nut was used in the letterhead of Manipur Nath Kanbalup. General public are quite confused over the word used in it. Working President Kolomcha Achaubi strongly opposed ban imposed on Phamsak and urged the Manipur Nath Kanbalup to give room for discussion on the matter instead of using strong and harsh languages.
Not give Madame the point of who we don't know. Shumnagi not give Madame the Chodo, he don't come with the native Makwidi, Shumnagi, no Sangiton, Gimatanga, Umani of Bakang going to eat, no Sangitor, Nenava, Kango, Haina, Haidamadi Pagadoni, not the Ramuina, Manipuri, not Kanbalu, Haida, not give Madame the Dimukudi to open not give Lamani Tizandana, no Sangitongi. Shady, Shapakambu, Yanga, Mokui, Shimamashira, Wale, Ahen Bakamsha, Kabuna, Program, Logre, Abi Wakolonda, Urga, Macro Mali.
One day free diabetes health camp was held today at Public Hospital and Research Center Hatta. In all, 50 patients were checked up to diagnose diabetes disease. Free medicines were also given to the patients. Diabetes is caused due to irregular and carelessness in dietary habits. Chairman of the hospital, Mohammad Azid Khan, maintained that if timely detection and treatment are not given, it may cause serious health effect.
Diabetes haiba anaba se jamna chronic oiba nganna layeng hudragadi complication thopa yaba maram leibana nganna detection tohuba ngamnaba sinjabani si kem sida senior citizens 50 mu yengjathi.
That's all we have in the news, but before we conclude the top stories once again. Health and Family Welfare Minister has stated that government is trying its best to improve health sector in Manipur, and World Elders Day observed in Manipur. Thanks for being with us. Goodbye.